Crypto DNES. Let's check out Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been a coin that has been in such a crazy accumulation zone earlier on in 2022, all the way. We could even actually say all the way until the 19th of October before we had a breakout to the upside. With that breakout to the upside, we saw a really nice move to the upside, bring us to the 0.618786 from the bear market low to the all-time high of the previous bull run, bringing us up to the massive buy side liquidity, bringing it in around a 478% move to the upside. Why this is so significant? This is so significant because this is, like I said, resistance from the previous all-time high in the bear market lows on the 0.618786. So we came into the 0.618 at 0.46. From there, we've been working our way down. And how would you like to count this in any kind of trading strategy? You can see that this has been a 1, 2, 3, 4 to the downside. We would like to see a bullish pennant to the upside from here. So from this current zone, we would like to see a W formation turn into a potential bull flag, coming to the 0.786, bringing in around a 437% move to the upside. After that, I would expect some consolidation. After that consolidation, we would like to see a continuation higher. So from the low of the current price right now to the top is in around the 1618, is in around $1.13. That's just short of 900%. That's so significant because even if we have a rally from the midway point of the 0.618786, that's still 134%. So Dogecoin has a lot of potential on the cards here. In terms of the ICT concepts here, you can see that we are currently just fighting structure. We do have a higher low situation currently, just about. So we do expect a continuation to the upside. Having a look here at the weekly time frame. On the weekly, you can see that we're having a market structure shift, MSS, that's what it stands for, but we're still tapping inside some sell side liquidity. As soon as we take out these people in the market, I'd expect a huge reversal. As you can see here on the previous weekly candle, we did actually come right to the bottom of that. Hopefully, we've ended up taking all that liquidity and we're just now watching for a continuation higher. I do think we will get it. Let me know what you guys think about Dogecoin for the rest of 2025. Going into 2026, again, there's only a week left of 2025. Let's see what 2026 holds in place for meme coins. Toshi is a meme coin that many people have been tracking along the way this year. Let's check to see where Toshi can go in 2026. So as you can see here, we're currently rejecting off the EMAs, but we've had a bounce from support. The support box is 0.618786. We're currently having a bounce. And let's see where we will go in 2026. I do believe in 2026, we should see the targets up in and around 0.0003674. I do think that's a major target for Toshi. I think this is the zone that we should watch out for. Why this zone is so significant? Because this will be the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA should be a key zone where we should have a reaction, because every single time we've broke above the 200 EMA, we've had a rejection. We've not had a tap of the 200 EMA since the 26th of October 2025. So now it's been quite a few months, you know. So in 2026, I do expect us to at least tap that level. Again, I would love to see us come all the way up here to the 0.618786, because that would mean not only we're having a 450% move, not only we have a maximum potential of a 580% move, that would mean that we've done the minimum expectations in a bull run from the low to the high, of the high to the low of the bear market and the bull market run we've had so far. That would mean that this zone will be a significant take profit zone. If we add on a different Fibonacci retracement here, we can add on the 1618. With the 1618, that would be the bull market blow off top target in around 0.00333152. That's exactly where I would like to see Toshi go to by the end of this bull run. Does it mean it will happen? Not necessarily. Let me know if you think it will reach these targets in the next few months. I do think 2026 is going to be a major month for Toshi. I do think 2026 is going to be a major year for meme coins and Toshi. Toshi's been one of the projects that I've been tracking for a very long time, especially you guys on this channel. You guys love Toshi so much. So let me know in the comments below if you think Toshi will reach these levels. If not, Let me know why in the comments below as well. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Crypto DNES, let's dive into another Picoin update. We have been moving sideways over the past couple of weeks. You guys really enjoyed the last update, so let's check out what we are doing right now. So as you can see here on the daily time frame, I did actually have in the previous video us having some kind of nice move from here all the way down and then a continuation higher. As you can see here, we've actually had our move down now. So now we're watching for a continuation higher. Why is this so interesting? Because as you can see here, this is the daily time frame. As you can see here on the daily time frame, since I called this low down here, we have been rallying. So as you can see, we are up already a 12% move to the upside, almost 13%. We do have some support coming in and around the 0.2 zone, so just watch out for a quick decline from here down and then a continuation higher. That's what we would like to see from here. If we are going to get a move down, if we get a continuation higher, we do have the 0.2172 zone. After that, we do have some key zones up here in and around the 0.2488 zone. Do I think we get there straight away? Not necessarily. I do think we have a little bit of a pullback before we get there. In terms of the daily time frame, we're still expecting to move up to in and around $1.27. That is a monster move from current price, in and around a 580% move to the upside. Before having a wave 2 decline, within this wave 2 decline, you'll be able to see that we would have in and around a 75% move to the downside before a continuation higher, which would actually bring in a really nice 748% move to the upside, bringing us to the target of bringing us in and around the target of the 0.618786, 0.188, and $2.36. That would be absolutely amazing to see. After that, we would have a decline in the wave 4, but again, we could have a bearish count from here. We could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bringing us pretty much back to our support, aka calling it a bear market low anywhere in between the zone. We actually in right now, the exact same zone. So after that, we will look for another impulse to the upside with a wave 5 to the upside, leading us to the next bull run, possibly just breaking the 1618. But as of right now, we're still watching for this wave 1, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let me know if you guys think Picoin will be able to move up to its wave 1 in the next couple weeks. If so, are you buying Picoin, and why are you buying Picoin in 2026? This is the Picoin ultimate guide for 2026. Maxi Doge. They're having a pre-sale at the moment. It's currently live. The current price is at 0.00264. They have currently raised $3.7 million. It can be trusted by Bitcoinist, Blockchainer Reports, Coin Central, News BTC, Crypto Daily. So there's quite a few reputable companies there that have either examined this coin or have wrote something about it, which is pretty interesting to see as well. The tokenomics are very interesting too. Maxi fund around 25%. Marketing they are going crazy with 40%. Devs around 15%. Liquidity around 15%. Staking around 5%. They have a quite crystal clear roadmap as well. As you can see here, Maxi Doge roadmap looks pretty cool, pretty interesting. I must say this is by far the most interesting website I've seen for a meme coin in a very long time. It's pretty cool. What is the purpose for Maxi Doge though? Maxi Doge is Doge on trend. Max leverage, zero F's given. Maxi token represents your stake in the vibes and the culture of extreme crypto traders, where even 1000x is nothing. Extreme pain, extreme gain. With that statement being said, they also have a massive disclaimer at the bottom. Maxi Doge is a meme token with vibe utility. We are not liable for the illusions others create. Do your own research, look out for Maxi Doge copycat, and obey local laws before aping into Maxi Doge presale. Cryptos can pump or dump. This is not financial, tax, or legal advice. So if Flocky is gonna lead the way, maybe it's time to start looking at other pre-sales and other meme coins that look to be on the rise. If you think we're gonna get another meme coin rally this bull run, leave in the comments when you think it will be. That's been everything. I hope you've enjoyed. Goodbye.